NexLev Niche Finder Review plus tutorial. In this video, we'll be reviewing NexLev Niche Finder and walking you through how to use it to find profitable niches for your business. NexLev Niche Finder is a tool designed to help you discover profitable niches for your online businesses. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze data and present you with the best niche opportunities. First, go to the official NexLev Niche Finder website, sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. You'll be greeted with the main dashboard where all the magic happens. To get started, enter a broad keyword related to your interests or business, and NexLev will process the information and give you a list of related niches. You can filter results based on competition, demand, and profitability. Once you get the results, you'll see the key data for each niche, such as search volume, competition level, and profit potential. This helps you choose niches that are both profitable and easier to enter. You can save your favorite niches for later use. The platform allows you to organize your niches into different lists, helping you stay organized when you are researching multiple markets. NexLev also offers advanced features like keyword research, trend analysis, and competition analysis. These tools help you dig deeper into your niche options and find the perfect fit. The pros of NexLev Niche is the easy-to-use interface, the comprehensive data on niches, and it also helps you make informed decisions for your business and saves time in niche research. The cons is that it may not have niche data for every market, and the paid subscription may not be affordable for everyone. That's about it. Thanks for watching.